Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, Teacher Sheila.
Okay, we are having now a marathon, movie marathon. So, what is the title of the movie?
The Adventure of Birds and Books.
Okay, enjoy watching, ha.
The Villain's Land.
No treasure I cannot find. My only weakness is hairballs.
He coughs up a hairball.
I hate doors. I am a nomad, a free spirit. I am Puss in Boots.
An orange tabby cat wearing tall black boots, a belt with a rapier sword, and a wide-brimmed hat with a yellow feather.
When I need no one.
The sun beats down on a market nestled between rock plateaus in the desert. A sword plunges through a note on a table. Masked thieves buy and sell goods.
Knife.
A glass of milk is slid to Puss, who leans on a bar.
One leche for the gentleman.
Two thieves argue while the bartender eyes up Puss.
Mine, that's my puppy. You're going to mash this miracle.
So, what brings you to the thieves' market?
No, I haven't.
Then perhaps you would like to correct them.
He threatens her with a sword, while two other thieves draw swords behind her. Puss disarms them all.
This lovely lady is under the protection of the legendary Puss in Boots. Never heard of you. Are you sure? Because as I said, I am legendary.
Easy.
I have references. Puss in Boots! Run! Run! Who's afraid? My God!
Puss claws and tackles the thief, then steps over him. The white lady cat beams.
Gosh, that was nifty.
Nifty? Well, yes, I am very, very nifty. I have but two rules. Always seek adventure, and always adventure.
Buhan yung utang mo.
It's okay
No,
for you.
no, I can accept no payment. Now come, let me help you find the silk you require.
He carries rolls of silk.
I want to thank you so much for your help.
Welcome mo.
I can't believe you sold me all this for only one coin.
You just have to know how to negotiate. Forcefully.
Touching his sword.
Glad to be of service.
Dulcinea.
A lovely name for a lovely lady. Tell me,
Against the
what brings you
light.
to the thieves' market? You seem a bit...
She scampers away.
Thank you.
Chloe and Angela.
Places you look at
Isa ka na si Cheria di angat. Dapit. Ay bang.
Sorry na.
To her horse.
hello. Has it been a good boy? Oh, yes, you've been a very good boy.
What is this book of yours?
Europa's Big Nature.
Dulcinea hands the hardcover book to Puss.
Tingog-tingog yung labyan lang ta.
A wee compendium of facts and fun?
Kisay wa si.
I faced my entire life.
Ikaw akong papilion kay ikaw mo ilas.
She takes back
Asa?
the book and climbs up on her cart.
Asan eh?
Would you let me help you with
Ganito nga.
The horse-drawn cart rolls away.
what you want to say?
Kisay ka na? Oh, lahat
The masked bandits chase after her. Puss throws his sword at them, then lands a flying kick, knocking them out.
She fascinates me, and she needs my protection.
Dulcinea's cart travels over the vast desert and disappears over the horizon. Puss follows her at a safe distance. The cart winds through the rocks as Puss leaps from one plateau to another.
Isigay nun ba yung adlaw? Isiyaw.
The horse pulls Dulcinea's cart into a narrow pocket in the rocks. Puss peeks around a corner as they stop, facing a dead end. Puss ducks behind a rock as Dulcinea looks around.
Mystic treasure at the center. Lift the veil that I may enter.
Puss notices a bright flash of light, then peers around the rock to see that Dulcinea, her horse and cart, have vanished. He inspects the dead-end rock wall.
Magic treasure at the center. Lift the veil that I may enter.
He runs headlong.
So, I hope nga makabaw na mi sa kanta. Okay ra? Fighting! Fighting!
Inaimog turong sesamul jan muro na Buddha. Jinyelo daridu naige samjurul june. Inaimog turong saramul jan muro na Buddha. Saranang buyidu naime.
Annyeonghaseyo, students.
Annyeonghaseyo.
So, for today's activity, level 1 versus level 2. So, our activity is all about, obviously, sa atong mga topic. Sa English, sa math, time, of course, quarter past, quarter to, half past, also sa mga basic English, right? Atong mga types of speeches, the sentence structure, the type of sentences. Also, sa katong time conversion. To, unsay mga equivalent nga time. Okay, ready na? Yes. Okay, very good. So, let's start for number 1 question. In 1 minute, how many seconds? No coaching. Ang ma-answer is, okay, very good. In 1 minute, pila ka seconds?
60.
Okay, so, Ellie, ato sa loyo. Next. So, handle with care sa inyong magnetic board, tarungon og erase. What is the type of speech wherein it is a naming words? So, it names a person, place, things, places. Unsa siya nga speech. So, no coaching. Unsa man to? Names. Okay. Noun. Very good. So, ang answer, noun. Level 1, mag-practice pa. Okay. Number 3, quarter to 11. Okay, 10:45. Very good. Half past 7. Very good. 7:30. Next. Types of speech na describe sa noun. Katong topic na to karon inyong giansiran. Unsa man tong types of speech nga nag-describe sa noun? Very good. Adjective. Okay, next. In 1,000 years, unsa man na siya? Equivalent to pila ka millennium. In 1,000 years, equivalent to blank millennium. Okay. Wala ka ba? So the answer is 1. 1 millennium. In 1 day, how many seconds? 1 day, how many seconds? Pila ka seconds ang 1 day? No coaching. Level 2. Manaman mo. So, dili mag-coach. Wrong, Rina. In 1 day, it's 86,400 seconds. So, okay students, since time naman, mag-study lang gihapon mo ha, kay lacking pa yung understanding. So, kini nga activity is to test you if naka-understand na ba mo sa tong topic. But sad to say, need pa jud og improvement. Need pa jud mo i-push. Okay ra? Okay, so fighting!
Fighting.
Okay, sige, bye-bye na, bye-bye. Annyeonghaseyo students.
안녕하세요.
Okay, for this morning, we will discuss about types of sentences. Please read number 1, Angeline.
Sentence that makes a statement, express an opinion, or provide. Example: I ate cereals for breakfast. I like to watch funny movies. Okay, I'm going to be a published author.
Okay. Declarative is a sentence that makes a statement, expresses an opinion, or provide information. So, in Tagalog ni ang declarative mo ni siya ang paturol o pasalaysay. So, mao ni siya nga klase nga sentence nga naghatag og information nga opinion. Nag-provide siya og information. So, mao ni siya ang examples. So, dali ra ang pag-identify sa declarative pod kay kung ano man siya, statement expresses opinion. Then, ang number 2, please read, Kissy.
Interrogative: a sentence that asks a question or makes a request or information. Example: do you like to swim in the pool? Number 2, aren't you going there? Number 3, have you ever been to the zoo?
Okay. Interrogative. So, from the word interrogate. So, mag-interrogate gani. Unsa man na siya? Mangutana or ask questions. So, in Tagalog po na siya, mao na siya ang patanong. So, usa sa pinaka-simple pod sa sentences ang interrogative. Kay magamit man siya og mga question mark. So, nagpangutana siya, ask questions or make a request. So, number 3, please read, Lawrence.
Exclamatory is a sentence that conveys strong emotion or emphasis and then ends with an exclamatory marks.
Okay.
Example 1. Does the flower look so pretty? 2. What large dog? 3. Oh no.
Okay, exclamatory. So, ang exclamatory, so, convey strong emotions. Na, kung naga emotions na mag-end siya og exclamatory, mao na siya ang exclamatory, exclamation mark. Mao na siya ang padamdam sa Tagalog.
na masukli ko sa inanig nila mo gini gamiton nay tuition trips usa pa para tingog-tingobo nila lakto siguro miya man gito panin kuryente dala paano mo ang pencil ni
Annyeonghaseyo level 2. Since today is Monday, so we are going to have a cleanliness check, right? So you must have make sure that every Monday you will gonna cut your fingernails, right? Kanang, what's the reason why we have to cut our fingernails? Para? Kamo kay baon sa rason? Uy, ginoo ko. Para di mo kakuwag kagaw. Nya, mukaon mo, di ninyo makaon o gapil ang mga hugaw sa inyong kuko. Imagine nga nagkaon mo niya, dagan kay hugaw inyong kuko kung sa kalami inyong gikaw. Right? Example, nalibang mo. Yan na inipasok dito nga tain ninyo. O niya, nagkaon mo, alami kay sanan. Imagine na lang. Right? Then also, for you not to get sick. Kaya kung baka kaon mo gugaw, natural, masakit yun mo. Right? Okay, let's start with Christine. Fingernails. Althea. Sunaya. Rachel. Poljaren. Riza. Rian. Princess. Lisha. And Dave. Okay. So, keep it up ha. Every Monday nail cutter. Then, make sure na inyong socks, foot maps or socks before entering the study room is clean. As well as ponytails. Siktan dyan ang buhok. Okay? Annyeonghaseyo level 1.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, so today is Monday. So every Monday unsa atong buhaton?
Good manners.
Aside sa good manners, before mo musud kay magunsa ganita? Kada Monday, cleanliness check. Okay, mag-spot check ta sa inyong mga fingernails. Kinsa may wa nag-ponytail dire or namugong? Namugong tanan. Sige, mag-spot check tabi. Coco Jusel. Si Desiree, Ayan. Alona. Chandria. Kobe. Mary, Jack, Honey, Jaika, hugaw kay kagkamot ha. So tomorrow wala na yung makasud na hugaw ang kuko. Every Monday, so Jaika, kay since you are a new student, so every Monday we are conducting cleanliness check. Subot pasabot, una mo so diri sa study room kay limpyo ang isuot na foot map or medyas, nya naka ponytail ang hair, nya naka nail cutter. Kay ngano man nakinahanglan limpyo ang kuko. Para di mo makakuha germs through your fingernails, especially kung mukaon mo. Nya, disan mo masakit. You will not get sick. Okay, so every Monday na jay ka ha. Okay.
Okay, annyeonghaseyo students.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, good morning. So today we will discuss about number 1, good manners. Number 2, proper hygiene, and number 3, saving money. Okay. Familiar na kayo mo about good manners. Ang sa gani ng good manners? Saktong, maayong pamatasan. O nya, inyo na gigamit. Kung sa may example B nga, maayo inyo ang pamatasan. Nagpakita o maayong pamatasan. O share. Share foods. Share blessings. Yung sa pa.
Ask question.
As question kung dili kasabot, siyempre mangutana gyud mo unsa pa gyud. Ang hanay inyo ipakita lang kanang normal ninyo nga buhaton sa inyong balay.
Say true.
Scott. Ay saba, Scott. Scott, ay saba baka nag kanang inyo hang gigamit kada adlaw nga nagpakita nga maayong pamatasan mo ay told honesty ang sapa kanang asa inyong balay nang mutabang sa trabaho no maayo na pamatasan. Example ng basura dapat ibutang gyud sa saktong sa basura. Dili gyud mag taka og labay-labay no kay aron tay daghan limpyuhon kitay magsighugaw-hugaw kita ra say man limpyo tinood kita ray ko kung gusto lagi man limpyo nya kana laging kuan gusto ra sa okay rang hugaw di hugaw bati kita tanaw no una mga saktong pamatasan o kanang mo respeto sa atong mga ginikanan o mga elders nato. Bisan di nato ginikanan o mga lain tao dapat matahod kita. Di ba no? Liyad dyan no? Dita palabi pabadlong liyad dyan ha. Iba man kung buutan ka pero nasa usahay yun. Dalaga na rin. Kasabot ka na dyan. Di magpalabi og laag. Dapat matabang sa kita sa imong mama. Nya. Dayon, number 2. Proper hygiene. Agay, kumusta ato proper hygiene? Karon wa tay klase kay magsud na daita sa diri ha. Ang kanang ato ang pagpanlimpyo sa atong kaugalingon. Example, manudlay like girls taga sa buhok, manudlay pirmi, mamugong. Di magpadunghay nga way sunway kaligo, nagkalkag lang buhok, magsuroy-suroy das gawas. Di ba no? Mga gwapa baya kayo tao niya, kalkag lang buhok, di ba liya Jen? Tao niya. Sunod ang kuko. Be, check. Punutas kuko, be. Oh, very good. White kuko. Agay. Very good, white kuko. Manguko. Liya Jen, manghingo ko ha. Sunod ang atong dalonggan no muragwan sa awig ramang goro na or kay kung kada adlaw nga magkaligo malimpyo pwede rawan sa awig unya ang proper washing our hands tarungon pag manghunaw lang diretso ana basa wana humana sige na no dapat sabon gyud nya lugdon-lugdon ang kamot Ano sakto yung kuan kay aron makuha ginang mga abog-abog unya kay tara ba diretso lang tagkaon, diretso hungit, di ba? Oh. Oh, laban ng mga on manghunaw gid ug maayo gyud sa bunan. Oh. Ora na. So karon next kay ang saving money. No, very good naman kay tanong naanay sud ato tanan si buwan na card no. Oh, nag-live na sod ato na sad patangan 10 cents sa ako. No. Don't forget Jude, mo send sa ako sa balance, okay? Okay.
Goodbye, Teacher Michael.